scan complete, ID 1245.
Vitals look good, moving to the next one.
The genetic markers on this lineage are exceptional.
Yes, the 3D model confirms the desired traits. We should monitor the hydration levels closely.
Keep them moving slowly now, watch the turn.
Clear the ramp on this side.
The thermal readings on the dorsal hump look stable. Confirmed. Core temperature is within acceptable parameters. The metrics on sample 7B are exceeding the baseline.
Yes, the consistency is remarkable across all runs. The readings are stabilizing nicely now.
Yes, looks good. All parameters are within the acceptable range.
Here at the facility, every camel hide undergoes rigorous inspection under bright, focused light to ensure the highest quality.
The distribution system is applying too much on the edges.
I see it. Adjusting the calibration now.
The pH stabilized exactly at 3.55.
Good, the automated feed system is working perfectly.
Here in the quality control hall, every square centimeter is scanned for imperfections, ensuring a luxurious finish.
Sourced globally, the premium camel leather is swiftly moved into the state-of-the-art facility.
This section here shows a grade 3 scar. We should isolate it.
Agreed. I'm tagging it now for the cutting phase.
The waveform fluctuation confirms the impurity level is below the threshold.
Yes, the data aligns with the control sample. We are cleared for release.